Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick demonstration of how to create a brand new sales funnel in Clickfunnels. Of course, for more information and details, you can click on the link below this video and gain access to the system software and as well gain access to us for any help and assistance that you may need. Now, as you can see, I am logged into the Clickfunnels back office on one of our accounts, and I just wanted to quickly let you know how to start and run and create a sales funnel. So it begins right here with Add New. There's various types of sales funnels that you can create. One of the most common types is actually one where you're creating an opt-in page as a part of a sales funnel. So we are going to go ahead and select this one with collect emails. We can name this anything we want, but what we're going to do is name it test funnel, just so that we can get started on this quick. And we click on the build funnel. This is going to create a basic funnel which consists of an email opt-in page and a thank you page or landing page. Now, as you can see here, there are a wide variety of pages that we're able to use as base templates, and as well there is when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there is a blank template as well, so that you can create and add anything in there that you choose. You do want to be careful on how you choose these based on what you're looking to accomplish. Now in this, I'm going to go with this super clean opt-in page just to use as a demo page here. Of course, you can always click preview and it will open up a preview screen, but when you select on the select template, it will go back in there and it will create this entire funnel for us. Okay, so now we have the ability for two different pages, and we want to go in and edit these pages, change them to be anything that we wish the content to say. So if we click on edit page, it's going to take us into our screen editor. Within the screen editor, you have the ability to add new sections, rows, columns, elements, anything you want. And of course, everything is boxed off so that you can create anything you want. In order to edit something, you want to click on this gear icon, and you can go in to edit these various items. Okay, so this would give us the ability, if we wanted to change the bold color, for instance, to blue, we can do so, or reds, any color you want. And of course, you have your full customized color palette here as well. We'll leave that at red just for now. Now, if you wanted to go in and actually change the text, you can do so by clicking and then changing the text. So, as I said, you can change the text to anything that you want. Once again, each section will block itself off, and you'll get the ability to do anything with this that you want. For instance, if you want to move it, you can move things all around. If you wanted to start with a smaller heading and then a bigger. So all you would do there is click and drag, and it will move things around for you. It moves things around in various boxes. Now, there is also the ability here, I'm not sure if you can actually see that. I will. Okay, so we can add new elements, we can add new things by using this, the plus sign. So if we wanted to add a new headline, we wanted to add an image, a paragraph, a sub-headline, a button, select boxes, SMS signups, shipping details. You can use ClickFunnels to create full sales pages, including linking these to payment options such as Stripe. You can add navigational links to anything, dividers, image lists, full social sharing elements as well, and as well over here on the very bottom, custom HTML coding. One of the important things here that you will need to do is you will need to integrate whatever you're collecting for data into an email autoresponder, which is going to house your details. Okay, so in order to do that, you go up to Settings, and under your integrations, this is going to list out any settings that you have in place at the moment. So you can see here now, it's just off the side of the screen, so you may not be able to see this, but there is integrations, and you can integrate GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp, any of those various things. And you would say you want to add it to a campaign. And then the next thing here, and I won't actually show this one, is you want to add it to a list, and that's simply because I don't have this connected to this will show a great number of lists. So what you would do is you would select a list. I'm going to pause the video just for a moment and select that list in order to keep the security of these lists private. So just one moment. Okay, so as you can see now on the right, there is a list to add to item there. Okay, now all you do is click anywhere on your screen and it is now connected. You can verify that by seeing the check mark in under the settings. Some of the other things that you will want to do with any page that you create, you will want to do your SEO meta tag data. By default, it always comes up with this My Awesome landing page, so you can change this to anything you want, and you can put that in there. Now, of course, the description is going to be any description that you want. And you can do any keyword tags that you wish. These are going to be, of course, the searchable fields that you will find on Google and any search engines will find. Once again, to make that go away, just click into the center of your screen. The other important thing to do on any landing pages is you do want to make sure that you know what your button action is going to do. You can change the button, you can fully customize the button by simply clicking on the gear icon. So like I said, you can change this to anything you want, but so if we change it to get access now, and you want to go and you want to set the button action. There are a variety of things that you can do. You can set it so that it's going to open a pop-up, so that it's going to go to a specific window, a specific website if you wish. By default, it is going to go to the next step in the funnel. Okay, so we do want it to go to the next step in the funnel or submit the form. Now, because this is a form, you do want it to say submit the form, and it's going to go to the next page in the funnel. So therefore, when somebody opts in here, they put in their email address, they click on get access now, they are going to wind up going to the next page. With that, what we're going to do is we're going to go up here, we're going to press save, and we're going to go to the next page. So if we exit out of this, and then on the left-hand side, we are going to see a thank you page. This thank you page, if we click on that, we will get the same data that or the same type of screen that we were originally using. Now this is the demonstrator thank you page that we've loaded in. We once again get a chance to select any pages that we want, including a blank page. I'm going to select a blank page just because that's a nice one to be able to add new items and features to. And I do want to keep this video short, so I'm just going to add a couple of items to it, but this gives you an idea of how you can go through and do this. Now, one of the things that is important is ClickFunnels does put a badge on the bottom of every page. You can remove that badge, and I'm about to show you how you can remove that badge. It is up to you, but depending on the page, depending on the action that you're looking for your customers to take, you may in fact want to remove that. In order to do that, you go to your settings under General, and there is an affiliate badge that is currently showing as Show. You just simply change that to Hide. Once again, click into the middle of your page, and it has that removed. Now, if I wanted to change this headline, I simply click on it, highlight, and say change headline. And there we are. Now, you can see that there is just this wording box. There is also another box if you wanted things grouped together with that. So if you want just words grouped together, and then you want to be able to group them together in another container, followed by another container. Now, when you want more containers, you simply press Add New Section. So you press on the plus sign. You get a choice of, whether you want them full screen, 3/4 screen, anything like that. The next container, I'm going to go with a medium, simply because I would like to show you how to add various things. So we want to add a row. This is going to tell us, do we want, how many different columns do we want within this row in the box. Now, in this instance, I'm going to go with a 2-column. I'd like to show you how you could do a small sales video page. Okay, so by pressing Add New Element, now we get to add, an image, a video, anything like that. So if I wanted to add a video, this comes with the custom integrations on it, and you can see here through your settings that you have various ways that you can embed a video. Now, under custom embed, let's say you're doing a YouTube video. Ultimately, all you need is your YouTube link, and you would put that link right in here, and you can determine if the controls or autoplays are going to be on or off within this. Okay, so that would be all you would need to do in order to integrate a YouTube video into your page. Now on the other side here, let's say we wanted to add a little bit more of a description. So I'm going to put a headline here of, get started today. Oops, it would help if I could spell. And once again, we can add more levels of text if we want. Let's say we want to do a sub headline, small call to action headline. Okay, we're just going to leave that there for now. And let's say we wanted to once again go and add something else within this container. We can go and add another element. And I don't know. Let's say we want to do a video to really get them to go straight to an order page. If you're doing a corporate order page, go to order page. Now you can fully customize capitalizations, anything like that. Anything that shows in the buttons you can show here. And as well, once again, you can change the color. Let's say you wanted to go back to your reds. Things that stand out, you certainly want to make sure that those things stand out. Now in this instance, like I said, maybe we want to go to a custom order page, something like that. Within the settings, we can say where this page is going to go by saying set action. In this instance, we wanted it to go to a web page, we'll say. So for argument's sake, we're going to say it's going to go to Google. There we go. Okay, so we've now said it's just going to go to Google. This is just for argument's sake. And we are going to save this. Now, what we're actually going to be able to do here, change this to your page title. Okay, so we've created a landing page and a thank you page. Now what we're going to do is show you how this all comes together. So we are going to exit out of this. And you can see right here, this is the actual address of your test funnel that you've created. This is the beginning of this sales funnel. So you can copy that to your clipboard. So to end this off, what we're going to do is we're just going to go and test the new funnel that we built. So we would paste in the address right here, and voila, here is the funnel. Now we would just click here to opt into the email. And you can see that we've come into the next page of this funnel. It pulls up an automatic video here for us. This was just a default video that Clickfunnels puts in if you don't have anything. And as you can see, when we get to this where we want to go to our order page, we can simply click on that and voila, it pulls up Google for us, which is where we programmed that it was going to go. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you find this informative. There is a link below so that you can get started, and a link below for you to be able to contact us should you need any additional help or training. Thank you very much and have a great day.